Hey everyone, welcome back to Computers Knowledge. If you are looking to level up your Excel skills, you have come to the right place. Today my topic is on how to create salary slip in Excel. Before starting, I will give a heading as creating salary slip in Excel. Creating salary slip in Excel. Then I will give a company name. I will give here a company name as Computer Knowledge. Now I will make a heading of salary slip. At first I will give employee name. Then I will give basic salary. Then I will give DA. DA as 10%. The full form of DA is dearness allowance. Now I will give TA. The full form of TA is traveling allowance. I will give traveling allowance 12%. Then I will give gross salary. Now I will give PF. The full form of PF is Provident Fund. My PF is 8%. And now I will give net salary. Now I will merge this cell. To merge this cell, click on this. Then from alignment, click on merge and center. And again I will merge this. To merge this, I will select the area how much I want to merge, like I am selecting. Now again go to alignment and click on merge center. Now I will highlight this. Go to font and give a color blue, like I am giving here blue color. And now I will change the text color of computer knowledge. Again go to font, click on font color. From there choose a color, like I am choosing here red. Now I will highlight the heading. To highlight a heading, again go to font. From font click on fill color. From there choose a color, like I am choosing from here orange. Now I will give an employee name. Now go to basic salary and give a salary amount of each the employee, like I am giving here 15,000, 18,000, 20,000, 16,500, 13,600, 22,000. Now I will show you how to calculate DA. To calculate DA, click equals to from keyboard, then select B4, give multiplication sign from keyboard, and as you can see my DA is 10%, so I will type here 10% and hit enter from keyboard. Now you can see my DA has calculated. To get all the DA of Mohit, Rohit, Mohan, Seema and Rohan, double click on cell. Now you can see all the DA has been calculated. Now I will show how to calculate traveling allowance. To calculate traveling allowance, again click equals to from keyboard, select B4, give multiplication sign. As you can see my TA is 12%, so I will type here 12% and hit enter from keyboard. As you can see, my TA has also calculated. To get all the TA, double click on cell. Now you can see I have get all the TA of Rohit, Mohit, Rahul, Mohan, Seema and so on. Now I will show you how to calculate gross salary. To calculate gross salary, click equals to and use sum formula. Open the bracket, select B4 to D4, close the bracket and hit enter. Now you can see my gross salary has calculated, and again double click on cell to get all the employee gross salary. Now you can see I have get all the employees gross salary. Now I will show you how to calculate PF. To calculate PF, click equals to from keyboard, select E4, give multiplication sign. As you can see, my PF is 8%, so I will type 8% and hit enter. Now you can see my PF has calculated. Now again double click on cell to get all the employees PF, as I have get here. Now I will show you how to calculate net salary. To calculate net salary, press equals to and click E4, give minus sign and then click F4 and hit enter from keyboard. Now you can see my net salary has also calculated. To get all the employees net salary, double click on cell and you can see all the net salary of my employee has come.